Okay, hello and welcome back. Brett here with ClickMill. In this video, we're going to be looking at the triggers tab. All right, and here we are, triggers. Here, I'm going to go ahead, click down into that. And here you'll see we did one test trigger. And so in the test trigger, just showing you what we're looking at. This is the name that we gave it. This is the event, and it's just titled all events. We're not going to get into that right now, but filters, this is more important. This is going to tell us the way in which those triggers work. So what is the filter? The filter is actually the variable. So the single trigger we titled test trigger, and this is basically button click, but the variables are right here. Click text has to be this, and post name has to be this. And so we're going to get into that later. But again, you'll see here, this trigger is based on two filters or two variables that are inside of it. So now in the next video, we're going to get into variables tab, where you will see something like click text and page host name in there. So we'll see you in the next video. This is all we really need to know for triggers. That's what it looks like. We'll see you in the next video.